Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt amazed by all those twinkling stars? It's a breathtaking sight, isn't it? Each star has its own story, its own place in the vast universe. Some stars are extra special. They stand out not just because of their brightness, but because of the roles they play in our history and navigation. They help people find their way long ago. Imagine being an ancient sailor, with no modern tools, relying solely on the stars to guide you. One of these stars is Polaris, the North Star. It's not just any star, it's a star with a purpose. It's like a friendly beacon in the night sky, always there to guide you when you're lost. For centuries, sailors and explorers used Polaris to navigate the vast oceans and discover new lands. Isn't that cool? They trusted this star to lead them safely. Polaris was like a gift for travelers. It provided a sense of direction and hope in the vast open sea. Imagine sailing across the ocean with no landmarks, just water everywhere. It would be easy to get lost without a guiding star. By looking at Polaris, sailors could figure out which direction was north. This was crucial for their journeys. This helped them stay on course and reach their destinations. Without Polaris, many voyages might have ended in disaster. Polaris was like having a compass in the sky, a natural, reliable tool for navigation. It's still used today by adventurers and stargazers alike. Even in our modern world, Polaris continues to inspire and guide us. Finding Polaris is like a treasure hunt. Imagine you're an explorer venturing into the vast unknown with the night sky as your map. First, you need to find the Big Dipper. It's one of the most recognizable constellations in the night sky, making it a great starting point. It's a group of 7 bright stars that looks like a giant spoon or a ladle. This unique shape makes it easier to spot among the sea of stars. You can spot the Big Dipper in the northern sky. It's always there, waiting to guide you, no matter the season. Once you've found it, look at the 2 stars that form the end of the Big Dipper's cup. These stars are crucial for the next step. These stars are called the pointer stars because they point the way to Polaris. They act like cosmic arrows guiding your gaze. Imagine drawing a straight line up from the pointer stars. This imaginary line is your path to finding Polaris. The first bright star you see along that line is Polaris. It's like a beacon in the night, guiding you with its steady light. It's not the biggest or brightest star in the sky, but it's special because it always points north. This makes it an invaluable tool for navigation. Once you've found Polaris, you'll know which way is north, south, east, and west. It's like having a built-in compass in the sky, always ready to guide you on your adventures. Polaris may look like a single star, but it has a secret. It's actually part of a binary star system. That means there are 2 stars orbiting each other. The brighter star is the one we call Polaris. It's much bigger and hotter than our sun. The fainter star is called Polaris B. It's smaller and dimmer, and it orbits around Polaris. Polaris is also special because it's a pulsating star. That means it expands and contracts, changing in brightness over time. It's like Polaris has a heartbeat. Astronomers study these pulsations to learn more about stars and how they work. Have you ever wondered why we can see Polaris all night long, but other stars seem to move across the sky? It's a fascinating phenomenon that has intrigued stargazers for centuries. It's all because of Earth's rotation. Our planet is constantly spinning, completing one full rotation every 24 hours. Our planet spins on its axis like a top. This axis is an imaginary line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. As Earth rotates, it makes the stars appear to move in circles. This movement is more noticeable the further you are from the poles, around a fixed point in the sky. This fixed point is crucial for navigation and has been used by sailors for centuries. That point is called the celestial pole. There are actually 2 celestial poles, the north and the south. Polaris is special because it's located almost directly above Earth's north pole. This unique position makes it an excellent fixed point in the sky. So, as Earth spins, Polaris stays in the same spot in the sky, acting as a reliable guide for travelers and astronomers alike. While other stars seem to move around it, this apparent motion is due to the Earth's rotation and not the stars themselves moving. It's like Polaris is a pin holding up a giant spinning umbrella of stars. This celestial dance is a beautiful reminder of our planet's dynamic nature.